to workshop, and I'm attending a path play for Dance for Fitness. It's it's amazing experience. I'm learning jazz for first time.
I love to be a part of Pathplay Dance Fitness, and for the first time I'm learning choreography from Norbu sir, which is really overwhelming, and I have never been to such workshop. I'm really very excited.
It's an amazing experience. Norbu sir has been a great choreographer. I think I can jazz up now tomorrow for my party. It was fun.
I'm here for the Pathplay Dance for Fitness program today, and was really looking forward to it.
I'm here for the first time, and it is a really nice experience.
Thank you very much. Pathplay.
Dance for